Hi students, welcome to Nilagiri online classes. In the last class we will be discussing topic what is alkynes, nomenclature of alkynes and preparation of alkynes. Today now I am going to discuss topic properties of alkynes. Properties of alkynes. So first one, physical properties. Physical properties. Now physical properties C1 to C5 alkanes liquid states are available. Gaseous states are available. Gaseous state are available. C1 to C5 alkanes gaseous states are available. More than C5 alkanes available to liquid state. Liquid state. Alkanes colorless compounds. Colorless compounds. Alkynes colorless compounds. And now alkanes orderless compounds. Orderless compounds. And last topic, alkyne soluble in water. Soluble in water. So this is physical properties of alkyne. First one, C1 to C5 alkanes gaseous state, more than C5 alkynes liquid state, alkynes totally colorless compounds, and alkynes totally orderless compounds. So alkynes are totally soluble in water solution. So this is physical properties. And now second, chemical properties. Chemical properties. So second one, chemical properties. Okay, chemical properties. First one, addition with dihalide. First one chemical properties, addition with dihalides. For example, alkynes, this is alkyne. Alkyne reacted with 2 moles of dihalide. 2 moles of dihalide. So gives CH, Cl, 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 Cl. The compound name is tetrahalide derivatives. So first one, alkyne reacted with 2 moles of dihalide gives tetrahalide derivatives. So this is reaction. And now mechanism. So first of all, alkyne reacted with 1 mole of chloride or halide. So form CH double bond CH Cl Cl. The compound name is 1,2 dichloro ethane. So first of all, alkyne reacted with 1 mole of chloride form 1,2 dichloroethene, and next another 1 mole of dichloride to form CH, Cl, 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 Cl. So this compound name is tetrahalide compound. 1,1, 2,2 tetrachloroalkane form. So this is addition with dihalide, and second one addition with hydrohalide. Addition with hydrohalide. Second one addition with hydrohalide. Addition with hydrohalide. For example, alkyne. This is alkyne compound. Alkyne reacted with 2 moles of hydrohalide. 2 moles of hydrohalide form CH3, CH, Cl, Cl. 1,1 dichloroalkane form. Alkyne reacted with 2 mole of hydrogen halide to give 1,1 dichloroalkane. This is reaction. And now mechanism. First of all, alkyne reacted with 1 mole of hydrohalide or HCl. So hydrogen H plus Cl minus. So hydrogen this move to this carbon, chlorine move to this carbon to form CH double bond CH. Hydrogen go to this carbon, so CH to form. So chlorine, this compound, chlorine move to this carbon, so CH2 double bond CH Cl. So another mole of HCl. So hydrogen move to this carbon, chlorine move to this carbon to give form CH3, CH, Cl, Cl. So 1,1, this is one carbon, this is second carbon, 1,1 dichloroalkane form. This is addition with hydrohalide. Addition with hydrohalide. And third one addition with water. Third one addition with water. So third one addition with water molecule or H2O. Okay. So this reaction, tautomerism reaction. Tautomerism reaction. This reaction, tautomerism reaction, addition with water molecule. So for example, alkyne addition with water, alkyne addition with water in presence of H2SO4 or HgSO4. Alkyne addition with water in presence of H2SO4 or HgSO4 to gives CH2 double bond CHOH. The compound vinyl alcohol. The compound name is vinyl alcohol. The compound name is vinyl alcohol. Alkane addition with water molecule in presence of H2SO4 or HgSO4 to form vinyl alcohol. Vinyl alcohol undergoes to tautomerism. Tautomerism means this is first position, second position, this is third position. So this bond shift to this position, and now this double bond shift to carbon position, third carbon position. So hydrogen first to third shift. So this is tautomerism. H plus ion move to one position, 1,3 H plus position are called tautomerism. So compound name CH3 CH double bond O. This 1,3 H plus shift transform. This compound tautomerism. Okay, so alkane addition with water in presence of H2SO4 or HgSO4 to give vinyl alcohol. Vinyl alcohol undergoes to tautomerism to form acetaldehyde. The compound name is acetaldehyde. So what is tautomerism? Tautomerism means H plus proton one position to third position. This reaction tautomerism reaction. This is addition with H2O or addition with water molecule. So and fourth one oxidation. Fourth one oxidation. So fourth one oxidation. What is oxidation? Oxidation means addition of oxygen molecule or called oxidation. Addition of oxygen molecule are called oxidation. For example, CH triple bond CH. The compound name is alkane. Alkane 4 moles of oxygens. Alkane addition of oxygen to gives COOH. So the compound name is oxalic acid. Oxalic acid. So alkane addition with oxygen to gives oxalic acid. This reaction is oxidation reaction. So 4 moles of oxygen addition with alkane compound. So oxidation means addition with oxygen. Addition with oxygen are called oxidation. And last one reduction. Last one reduction. This is fifth reduction. What is reduction? Reduction means addition of hydrogen are called reduction. Addition of hydrogen are called reduction. Reduction first reaction Lin-Lar's reagent. Lin-Lar's catalyst or reagent. Catalyst. Lin-Lar's catalyst. Alkynes reduction with alkyne. Alkynes reduction with H2 molecule in presence of PDBaSO4. Reduction of alkynes in presence of PDBSO4 and phenolene to gives CH double bond CH3. So this compound name CH3 C triple bond C CH3. The compound name is 2-butane. 2-butane. The compound is alkyne. So alkyne reduction with PDBSO4 or phenolene form cis alkenes. So first of all, what is Lillard's catalyst? Lillard's catalyst means phenolene in presence of lead BaSO4 to form cis alkenes. This is Lillard's catalyst. And second one, Birch reduction. So what is Birch reduction? Alkyne reduction in presence of sodium metal or liquid ammonia. Alkynes reduction with in presence of sodium or liquid ammonia to gives transalkene. CH3H. This is transalkene. So Lillard's catalyst to form cis alkenes. Cis alkenes means same group, same side. The compound name is cis. And which reduction? Transalkene are formed. Transalkenes means same group, different side attacked with alkene. So this compound transalkenes. So this is one totally properties of alkene. First one physical properties and second one chemical properties. Okay.